What's up, guys? It is currently motherfucking 4:13 in the morning, and studio session complete. And we need one thing. One thing's on our mind. One thing's on my mind. I need some of that. I need some of that Grimace juice, and I need it now.
Happy birthday, Grimace.
I say right foot creep, oh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay.
We're gonna drink his cum. Hey, yeah, can I get one Grimace cum? I mean Grimace juice. I mean Grimace nut. You know what? Do y'all have the Grimace shakes right now? That was a legitimate question, right?
Give me a second.
Okay.
He asked you if you wanted to use the mobile phone app, and your response was, "Do you have the Grimace shake?"
Well, I mean, it's a valid question, you know.
It is, but you could have said, "No, it's okay. I was just wondering if you had the Grimace shakes available."
Stop! You're giving me anxiety right now, right?
Why did you do that?
I'm too eager. I'm literally too eager right now.
You're so nice.
You're making me question everything I've ever done right now.
I'm just saying.
I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry. It's okay. No, I honestly thought you farted. It's just the guy scraping plastic off the car.
That moment, you were. Okay. Well, never mind. Y'all have a good night. This was a fucking nightmare. This was a fucking nightmare.
Are you okay? Are you actually?
I looked like an idiot at the McDonald's.
No, you didn't. I didn't make you. I don't want to make you feel stupid.
I looked like a fucking idiot.
No, you didn't. Said that it was funny.
This was a fucking disaster.
We could just go somewhere else and ask for
This is the only McDonald's that's open 24 hours.
Are you serious?
Yes.
No.
This is a fiasco.
Are you crying out of laughter or embarrassment? I'm so confused still.
It's fucking 4 in the morning. I was anticipating Grimace's sweet, succulent juice.
They can't believe they're out of the Grimace.
And then I just mistreated a minimum wage worker.
Literally
I looked like a fucking idiot.
Is there really no other 24-hour McDonald's in the vicinity of Austin?
I used up all what little self-respect I had in that interaction, and now it's fucking gone.
Where's my fucking shake? You forgot the shake. Shake them titties, Grimace. Shake them titties, Grimace. Where's my fucking shake? You forgot my shake. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them. Driving the car, please. Leave the drive-thru. I am socially uncomfortable. This man is so socially uncomfortable. I just damn near harassed them all. Fucking drive-thru worker at 4 in the morning. Where's the shake, bitch? Shake those titties, bitch. Shake them. I'm not calling the minimum wage worker a bitch. I'm calling Grimace a bitch.